Good morning students. Welcome to maths class. Today we will discuss about minors and cofactors. Actually today we will learn about how we can write expansion of a determinant in compact form using minors and cofactors. But before writing expansion of determinant in compact form, we will learn about minors and cofactors. Let's start with minors. What is minor? Minor, as a name suggests, minor means smaller part. But whose smaller part it is? See here. Let A is any square matrix of order n. Then minor of an element Aij is determinant of a square submatrix of order n-1, which is obtained by deleting ith row and jth column. Ith row and jth column in which element Aij lies. See here. We have A is any square matrix of order n. We have to find minor of any element Aij. So what is a minor? Minor is a determinant of a square submatrix of order n-1, which is obtained just by deleting any ith row and jth column in which element Aij lies. Means we have any matrix A, we have to find minor of any element Aij. Now we have to just delete ith row and jth column in which the element Aij lies. We have to find determinant of the submatrix which is obtained by remaining entries, and in this way we get minor of an element Aij. We can discuss it with the help of an example. Minor of an element Aij is denoted by capital Mij. Means we use same subscript as the given element has. For example, minor of A11 is equal to M11. Minor of A12 is denoted by capital M12. Minor of any element A33 is denoted by capital M, same subscript as the given element has. Minor of A31 is equal to M31. this way we can denote minor of any element. Now we will find minors of some elements. Let A is any square matrix of order 2 by 2 with entries A11, A12, A21, A22. We have to find minor of A11. We know that minor of A11 is denoted by capital M and subscript is same as the given element has. Now minor of an element is the determinant of a submatrix which is obtained just by deleting first row, first column. We get A22. Find the determinant of this matrix. We get A22. In the same way, minor of A12 is denoted by capital M12. Now, minor of an element is the determinant of a submatrix which is obtained just by deleting first row, second column. So write the element as it is and take the determinant. We get A21. In the same way, minor of A21 is equal to M21, and which is equal to, take the determinant of the submatrix which is obtained by deleting second row, first column. We get A12. Take the determinant of this submatrix. We get A12. In the same way, minor of A22 is equal to M22. It is the determinant of the submatrix which is obtained by just deleting second row, second column. We get A11. Take the determinant of this matrix. We get A11. In this way, we can find minors of all the elements of matrix A. So, there are maximum 4 minors in this matrix A, because this matrix A has 4 elements and we can find 4 minors corresponding to each element of the given matrix A. Let us consider one example related to minor of an element. Find minor of an element 6 in the given matrix A. You have to find minor of 6. See here. Minor of 6 is denoted by capital M. Now write subscript here. 6 element belongs to second row, third column. So we write here 2, 3. So minor of 6 is denoted by M with subscript 2, 3. Now what is minor? Minor is determinant of a submatrix which is obtained just by deleting second row and third column. Write all other entries as it is and take the determinant. Multiply diagonal elements. 5 into 1, 5, minus 3 into 3, 9. We get minus 4. So minor of 6 is minus 4. In the same way, we can calculate minor of any element of the given matrix A. For example, minor of 5 is equal to 5 belongs to third row and second column, so it is denoted by capital M. It belongs to third row, second column, so we write it 3, 2. Minor of 5 is denoted by capital M, 3, 2, and it is equal to determinant of the matrix obtained by deleting third row and second column. Write the remaining entries as it is: 1, -2, 4, 6. Simplify it. Multiply diagonal elements minus multiply non-diagonal elements. So we get 6 1 is 6 minus 4 into -2 -8. We get 6 plus 8. We get 14. In this way, we can find out minor of any element of the given matrix A. Now, we will learn about cofactors. What is cofactor of an element? Let A is any square matrix with entries Aij of order n. Then cofactor of an element Aij is denoted by capital Aij, and cofactor of Aij is equal to -1 to the power I plus j into Mij. Means cofactor of Aij is equal to -1 to the power sum of the suffix into minor of the element Aij. We have to just calculate minor of the given element, then multiply it with -1 to the power I plus j, means sum of the suffix. After simplifying -1 to the power I plus j, we get either positive sign or negative sign, according as I plus j is even or I plus j is odd. Means you have to calculate minor of element Aij and just multiply it with -1 to the power I plus j. We get cofactor of Aij. It means cofactor of Aij is equal to minor of Aij with positive sign or with negative sign, according as I plus j is equal to even or Aij is equal to minus Mij if sum of the suffix is odd. Clear? If -1 to the power we get odd number, then answer is -1 here. We multiply it with Mij. So we get minus Mij. So cofactor of an element Aij is denoted by capital Aij, and the answer is equal to minor of the element Aij with positive sign or with negative sign, according as sum of the suffix is even or odd. We can discuss it with the help of an example. See here. For calculating cofactor of an element, first we have to calculate minor of that element. If A is any matrix with entries 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 0. Find minor and cofactor of 5. See here. First we calculate minor of 5. Minor of 5 is denoted by capital M. Now we use notation. See here, element 5 belongs to second row and second column. So we write 2, 2. So minor of 5 is denoted by M2, 2. Minor is a determinant of a matrix obtained by deleting second row, second column. Write all other entries as it is and simplify this determinant. We get 0 minus 6. So we get 6. In this way we get M22 is equal to 6. Now we have to find cofactor of 5. Now 5 belongs to second row and second column, and for cofactor we use capital A and use 2, 2 here because 5 belongs to second row and second column. Now A22 is equal to minus 1 to the power sum of the suffix 2 plus 2 multiplied by minor of element 5, and minor of element 5 is denoted by M22. So what we get? Minus 1 to the power 4 and M22 is 6. In this way we get 6. Because power is even here, and when power is even, answer of this term is positive. So cofactor of 5 is equal to 6. Means A22 is 6 here. In this way we see that when sum of the suffix is even, then minor of an element and cofactor of the element are same. Now we will discuss one example based on concept of cofactors. You have given a matrix of order 2 by 2. You have to find capital A11, capital A12, capital A21, capital A22. We know that capital A is used for cofactors. So we have to calculate cofactor of element A11. Now see here, A11 means we have to write the element which belongs to first row and first column. First row, first column. So we get 4 here. So we have to find out cofactor of 4. Cofactor of 4 is obtained as by using the formula. So what is the formula for cofactor? Minus 1 to the power sum of the suffix multiplied by minor of the element A11 means minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 M11. So what we get? Minus 1 to the power 2 M11. Delete first row, first column and find the determinant of the remaining sum matrix. So what we get? Minus 1 to the power 2. Power is even. So answer is positive. And determinant of minus 2 is minus 2. So what is the answer of A11? What is the answer of cofactor of 4 is equal to minus 2. In the same way, you have to calculate A12. Now, A12 is equal to minus 1 to the power sum of the suffix multiplied by capital M12, means minor of the element which belongs to position A12. Now, minus 1 to the power 3. Calculate the minor corresponding to first row and second element, means delete first row and second column. We get 3. Take the determinant of this submatrix 3. We get 3 here. Minus 1 to the odd power gives us minus. So A12 is minus 3. In the same way, A21 we have to calculate. A21 is equal to minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1 multiplied with M21. Minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1, 3. 3 is odd, so answer is negative. M21, delete second row, first column and write the remaining element as it is. Element is 7 here. Element is 7 here. It is minus. Now we get 7. So A21 is 7. In the same way, we calculate A22. A22 is equal to minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2, 4 multiplied with M22. Now, minus 1 to the power even. Even power is positive. So, we get positive sign. M22, just delete second row and second column. Find the determinant of the remaining submatrix. We get 4. In this way, we calculate cofactors of the element A11, of the element A12, of the element A22 and of the element A21. We will discuss one example based on minors and cofactors of the elements of the given matrix. You have to find minors and cofactors of the elements of first row. Means you have to find minor of elements of first row. First row is this one. And elements are A11, A12 and A13. So we have to calculate minor of A11, which is denoted as M11, which is obtained as deleting first row, first column, write all other entries as it is and take the determinant. Just simplify it. We get the answer A22, A33 minus A32, A23. Now we have to find cofactor of A11. Cofactor is denoted by capital A, having the same suffix as the element. It is equal to minus 1 to the power sum of the suffix 1 plus 1 multiplied with minor of the corresponding element, which is equal to M11. So we can write it minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1, 2, even power. So we get positive sign here. M11, we have already calculated it. So you can write it as it is A22, A33 minus A32, A23. So here answer of M11 and answer of A11 are same. Means if the sum of the suffix is even, then minor and cofactors of that element gives us same value. In the same way, minor of second element A12. Now you can write it directly M12. delete first row, second element, write all other elements as it is. First row, second column, A31, A33. Just simplify the determinant. A11, A33 minus A31, A13. Now we have to calculate cofactor. So cofactor of A12 is denoted by capital A12, which is equal to minus 1 to the power sum of the suffix into minor of the element A12. Now minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2, 3, which is odd power. If power is odd, then answer is negative. And the answer of M12 means minor of the element A12 is A11, A33 minus A31, A13. In the same way, find the cofactor and minor of the third element of first row, which is A13. So just calculate. Minor of A13 is denoted by M13. It is determinant obtained by using the entries. By deleting first row, third column, we get A21, A22, A31, A32. Simplify it. A21 into A32 minus A31 into A22. And cofactor of the same element is denoted by capital A13, which is equal to minus 1 to the power sum of the suffix 3 plus 1, 4 into minor of the element A13. So what we get? Power is 4, power is even, so answer is positive. Answer is equal to M13, means minor of the element A13. So write the answer here. It is M13, A21, A32 minus A31, A22. In this way, you can calculate the minors and cofactors of elements of first row. You can also find out minors and cofactors of all other elements also. You can see here also, if the sum of the suffix is even, then answer of minor and the answer of cofactor is same. A13 is equal to M13. So students, that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video. The more we will discuss in next video.